Welcome this video. Make a shade into a tiny home. Convert a shade into a tiny home is an increasingly popular solve for those sleep affordable house or add living space. This transformation convenient create functionally and centrability make it an applying project for enthusiasts. Here are step by step gardening guess to help your turn a stored shed into a choosy and full functional tiny home. Access the shed. Start by elevate the shed correct. Consider that the structure in sound and free of major such as roll wood, unstored bulb, or a campering roof. Determinant whether the shed metal you are increasingly use as tiny home range benefit 100 and 400 square feet. If the shed is an poor consider consider and replacement T elements address and fountain before progress as a flame base for a living space. Plan the layout. Detailed full plan that incorporating living area in cabin or sleep area, kitchen, bathroom and multi-purpose space. The layout for affordable and comfort, sleep area. Consider a loft bed and maximize various space. Kitchen. A compost kitchen with a minimized front to stood add a smart sleep is a idea. Bathroom. Use a canvas space of compost truck and a should multi-purpose area. Companion. Dynamic work and relax functionally in one fixable room. Use online detail tool and corrected process can help refine your plan. Water pool popular incorrect of comfort and make affect companion in cabin space should right for board and fiberglass valve and full to main entrance shoved into temperature gum to provide draft and mouse use waterfall type area window and door and appear a waterfall or roof material to protect against length. Add window and door. Enhance natural lights and versatile by install window and a functional inter door. Choose effect window with double. Consider use sunlight to bright to interior without dark up to away. Finish interior valve and full. Cover the valve with valve wood panel or shade for a posting look or stand surface to match your design aesthetic of full. Consider material like plants or hardware of durable and style. Fun and decoration. Select furniture that sub and compose space. Multifunctional price. Use a soft bed. Follow table and story. Optimization. Customize. Build enhanced. Install. Cabin or branch trend to the shade. Right. Decor. Add personal touch with range and wall art. Maximize stories with create solve such as range, underbed, story and wall movement hub. Find touch complement the project any remain detail such as tiny work and installed hardware schedule to aspect your tiny home might look soft standard and build code benefit of shared to tiny house convince affordable. A shared conveyance is more cost effective than build a traditional house. Eco friendly net. The project open unit, smart footprints and few rejective.